Orbital picture resonance in benzene, aromatic character and Huckel's rule. Ben- Orbital picture of benzene. Benzene has the molecular formula C6H6. In 1858, Auguste Calcule of the University of Bonn has proposed that carbon atoms can join to one another to form chains. Then in 1865, he offered an answer to the question of benzene. These carbon chains can sometimes be closed to form rings. Calcule structure of benzene was one that we would represent today as given below. All the carbon to carbon bond in benzene are equivalent. The molecule is stable and benzene represent as a hexagon. The inner circle of benzene indicate the valence electron are shared equally by all six carbon atoms. That is, electrons are delocalized or spread out over all carbon atoms. Each corner of the hexagon is occupied by one carbon atom, and each carbon atom has one hydrogen atom attached to it. Any other atom or group of atoms substituted for a hydrogen atom, it must be shown bonded to a particular corner of the hexagon. First structure is molecule of benzene, and benzene consists of a planar hexagon of six carbon atoms having all carbon atom equal in length, 1.397 angstrom, and carbon-carbon-carbon bond angle of 120 degree each. In next structure, sp2 orbitals overlap between carbon form the plane of ring, and it is also responsible for formation of sigma bond. In next structure, sideways p orbitals overlap from the pi cloud above and below the ring, and it is responsible for the formation of pi bonds. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Next, Calcule structure or isomers of benzene. Next, planar hexagon. Bond length of carbon-carbon bond is 140 pm, or bond angle in between carbon-carbon-carbon is 120 degree. Next, sigma bonds sp2 hybridized orbitals. It is responsible for the formation of sigma bonds. Next, 6 pz orbitals. It is responsible for the formation of pi bond by overlapping the p orbitals. Next, delocalized pi system, and finally the structure of benzene. Resonance in benzene. The oscillating double bond in the benzene ring are explained with the help of resonance structure as per valence bond theory. All the carbon atom in the benzene ring are sp2 hybridized, as you can see in first structure. One of the two sp2 hybridized orbitals of one atom overlap with the sp2 orbital of adjacent carbon atom, forming 6 carbon-carbon sigma bond. Another left sp2 hybridized orbital combined with s orbital of hydrogen to form 6 carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds, and the remaining unhybridized p orbitals of carbon atom form pi bond with adjacent carbon atom by lateral overlap, as you can see in second structure. This also explains an equal possibility for the formation of C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5, C6 pi bond, as you can see in second structure, or C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C1 pi bonds, as you can see in first structure. The hybrid structure is represented by inserting a circle in the ring as shown in the third figure. Hence, it also explains the formation of two resonance structure proposed by Calcule. According to this theory, benzene is resonance hybrid of the following canonical form. As you can see in first transformation, first two structures are Calcule structure and next third structures are charge separated Debye structure. Calcule structure are most important contributor for the structure of benzene, and Debye structure are least important contributors for the structure of benzene. Next structure is resonance hybrid of benzene. Benzene is represented as a hybrid structure of these two canonical forms, and the pi and sigma bond present in the benzene and pi electrons are delocalized in the hybrid structures. Aromaticity and Huckel's rule. In 1931, German chemist and physicist Erich Huckel proposed a theory to help determine if a planar ring molecule would have aromatic properties, and he states that if a cyclic planar molecule has 4n plus 2 pi electrons, it is considered aromatic. If it has not, then it is considered as non-aromatic. This rule would come to be known as Huckel's rule. This is criteria for aromaticity and anti-aromaticity. A compound will be aromatic if it is cyclic or having a ring of atoms, if it is planar or flat, or all atoms in the molecule lie in the same plane, if it is fully conjugated, means p orbitals at every atom in the ring, if the molecule has 4n plus 2 pi electrons, and n will be 0 or any positive integer, if it is stable, if its resonance energy will be if its resonance energy is 36 kilocalorie per mole. A compound will be anti-aromatic if it is cyclic or have a ring of atoms. If the molecule is planar or flat, or all atoms in the molecule lie in the same plane. If the molecule is fully conjugated, means p orbital lie at every atom in the ring. If the molecule has 4n pi electron, if a molecule is stable or only stable below -100 degrees centigrade. A compound will be non-aromatic if it fails any one of the criteria or the left or anything else. Example of non-aromatic compound is cyclooctatetraene, and example of aromatic compound is benzene. Example of anti-aromatic compound is cyclobutadiene. According to Huggle's molecular orbital theory, a compound is particularly stable if all of its bonding molecular orbitals are filled with pair electrons. With aromatic compounds, 2 electrons fill the lowest energy molecule orbitals and 4 electrons fill each subsequent energy level, leaving all bond orbital filled and non-anti-bonding orbitals occupied. This gives a total of 4n plus 2 pi electrons. In benzene, each double bond means pi bond always contributes 2 pi electrons, and benzene has 3 double bonds, so it has 6 pi electrons. If first 2 pi electrons fill the lowest energy orbital and 4 pi electrons remaining fill in the orbitals of succeeding energy level. In first structure, bonding orbitals are filled, but none of antibonding orbitals have any electron. In second structure, each carbon atom present in the benzene ring is sp2 hybridized. And in third structure, benzene has 6 pi electrons or p orbitals. To apply the 4n plus 2 rule, first count the number of pi electron in the molecule, then set this number equal to 4n plus 2 and solve for n. If it's 0 or any positive integer like 1, 2, 3, the rule has been met. For example, benzene has 6 pi electrons. So from the formula, 4n plus 2 equals to 6 and 4n equals to 4. So n will be 1. For example, we find that n is 1, which is a positive integer, so the rule is met, and benzene is an aromatic compound. Next, aromatic ions. Huckel's rule also applies to ions, especially aromatic ions. As long as a compound has 4n plus 2 pi electrons, it does not matter if the molecule is neutral or has a charge. For example, cyclopentadienyl anion is an aromatic ion. Carbon 2 to 5 are sp2 hybridized because they have 3 attached atoms and have no lone electron pair. If an atom has one or more lone pairs and is attached to an sp2 hybridized atom, then that atom is sp2 hybridized also. So carbon first also sp2 hybridized and it has the p orbital. Cyclopentadienyl anion has 6 pi electrons and fulfills the rule 4n plus 2 pi.